Hi, Mom. Are you in London?
Yes, surprise!
Are you writing about London?
Yes, I am. I haven't been here to visit for years. It's nothing like it used to be. The bookshop I always used to visit is now a really cool cafe.
So what else did you used to go to London for?
For fun. For concerts and to buy new clothes, but it didn't used to be this busy.
So is it also different?
No, not completely. The area near the river is very different, but the West End hasn't changed much. The theaters look a little different than it used to. Anyway, I like the new London.
Cool. Is Mr. Harris in London?
Yes, I've just met him. Mr. Harris didn't used to wear nice clothes, and now he's looking quite cool.
I remember he used to go away on really long trips.
Oh, yes, but he is an old man now.